Vineland families, this is a quick tutorial on our parent drop-off and pickup procedure for the 2024-25 school year. Please bypass the lower lot heading all the way to the soccer park. As you approach the entrance to the soccer park, please turn in and head to the right. Here you will see 2 lanes. You can choose either lane. Both of them will be used for drop-off and pickup. As you approach the gates that lead into Vineland, please stay in one lane or the other. Do not switch lanes. At the top, in the mornings, for parent drop-off, there will be a staff member that will direct you when to proceed in front of the building. In the afternoons, for parent pickup, there will also be a staff member that will either direct you down to the front of the building or may be taking your name at that time to pick up your child. When you are directed, please proceed down in front of the building. If you are on the right-hand lane, stay to the right. If you're in the left-hand lane, please stay to the left. Please pull down as far as staff members instruct you to. Generally, we use the entire lane. Later in the mornings or afternoons, we may stop you at the double doors. If you are the first car, please pull all the way down. There will be a cone in front of you when you reach the lower part of the circle drive. When it is time for students to dismiss, staff will direct you by letting you know to release students. If you are in the outside lane next to the grass, please make sure your students walk up the crosswalk all the way to the double doors by the gym, where staff members will help them get inside. If you are in the inside lane next to the sidewalk, please have your students hop on the sidewalk and walk all the way up to the double doors by the gym. During parent drop-off in the morning, students will utilize the crosswalk if on the outside lane or the sidewalk if on the inside lane and enter the double doors to go into the building. In the afternoon only for parent pickup, please display your pickup sign in your windshield so staff will know who you are picking up. Parent pickup signs will be available at open house for you to pick up. In the afternoons, students will come out the double doors, and if you are parked on the inside lane, they will come down the sidewalk to get to your car. If you are parked in the outside lane, they will come down the crosswalk to go to your car. If you arrive for parent drop-off in the morning and the double doors are already shut, then you will need to park and walk your child up to the Vineland office and sign them in. If your child normally rides a bus and you're going to pick them up that day, please make sure you contact our office before 3 p.m. so we can make sure they arrive to the parent pickup area. Thank you, parents, for helping make our parent drop-off and pickup a success.